Ask your friends to join faster.
Sir, the membership is not opening the app.
I did not get you.
Sir,
For
the
some
members,
members, app is not opening, sir.
Why? I don't know about that. You have to rejoin. Actually, Atika, you have to log in again. Tell them to log in
the
again.
morning for English, sir, it is not came means in Zoom meeting started, sir.
Hmm. For whom it is not opening? For whom it is not opening, man?
Sir, at morning it didn't came, sir, but now it is coming for all members, sir.
Now everyone are getting no?
Yes, sir, they are getting.
Okay.
Jai Swaminarayan, sir.
Jai Swaminarayan.
Sir, something screen share came, sir, Zoom.
Okay. So what we do that we will complete one more lesson, right? So outcomes of democracy. Outcomes of democracy. Today we'll discuss about the outcomes of the democracy. In ninth class, it means in the class 9. So why you are hiding yourself? I don't understand. Every day I says you do on your videos, but you are hiding yourself. Akshay. So why, what is the requirement of hiding yourself? Not required, no, beta. If you hide yourself, then what is the use? Sarvesh. Every day I have to say to Sarvesh, every day you are not class 1 student. Ah, he removed the mustaches so that he is hiding. So okay. D Sai AC 710. Two people are there in the waiting room. This is also problematic, man. I have to see for the waiting room. I have to see who is okay, who did not on their videos.
Sir, make Amarnath sir host, if possible.
Amarnath sir is there. No, if I make him also, I can't share. Amarnath sir, unnara miru? I think he is not there.
No, sir.
Sir, sir is not there, sir.
Sir is?
Not there,
Sir
sir.
is not in the
I think there is a problem with this app, right? Fraud entries are not allowed in this. It's a good app actually. Ganesh, this AC 7910, I'm giving 3 seconds of time to you.
Sir, I did not have camera, sir.
Who is that?
Sai Rohit.
How it is possible in this generation, mobile without camera?
No, sir, damaged, sir, camera.
Very good. Congratulations. You did a good job. You only damaged it.
No, sir.
You only broken it, right?
No, sir.
It's okay, man. Coming to the point here, chapter 6. Chapter 6. Outcomes of democracy. Outcomes of democracy. The point is here. See, you don't go with this all etc. 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 Those things. You understand the concept. What I mean to say you. First, you understand the concept. Once you understand the concept, the rest of the things becomes easy to you. Very easy chapter this is. Actually 10 to 15 minutes chapter it is. But if we can take for 10 days also. This is what the huge problem. Right? Coming to the examination point, 10 to 16 minutes are enough. But coming to the understanding of the concept, it takes some time. The broader you go, the broader you think, it takes lots of time. That lesson is completed, my dear brother. Political parties. Challenges of the political parties are there, no? That was the last one. People are not having the popular, it means the right choice to elect the leaders. So you give the right choice. Mr. Prithvi Bhargav become as a macho man. Look at his hairstyle, his spectacles. He has become stylish. I think he's busy in the streets, I think, these days. Are you?
No, sir.
No? Looking so stylish. Okay, it's a good thing. There is nothing wrong in the being in the stylish, but there is a sin in neglecting the studies. So you don't neglect studies. Whatever you want to do, you do. Ride the bicycle, go for riding, walk, enjoy, watch the movies, whatever you want to do. But don't commit the crime. Don't insult anyone. Be on the right path. Right? What happened, Sai Kiran Reddy garu? Why are you moving here and there? Sai Kiran Reddy garu.
Sir, pictures are not available, sir. No video, no screen sharing, sir.
No video?
Sir, anyone is not appearing in this, sir. Total black.
Everyone is?
Sir, his
Anyone
network
is not
issues, sir.
appearing, sir.
I did not get it. I'm not
Sir,
understanding.
nobody is appearing on
Tell
the
him
screen,
to
sir.
rejoin,
Saying that.
sir. Sir, tell him to rejoin.
It is not coming in his saying, sir. It is not coming. Total black.
You rejoin. See, Ritik Shetty is joining now. He's a hero after 10 minutes. He's awesome, man. Ritik Shetty is Superman, you know? Superman of the Gurukul. एन आयुष शर्मा, आपका वीडियो ऑन नहीं है, मैं 1 मिनट में आपको निकाल लेता, फिर मेरे को कसूरवार नहीं ठहरा. आयुष शर्मा, हाँ, वीडियो ऑन करने में क्या पैसा खर्च हो रहा है? क्यों जी आयुष? So why I ask you people to on the, see here many people are there. Sambit, this Bachu, Ritik Shetty, Karthik, Talla, Bacha, Mallu Jayavant, AC6488, AB5497, yes Karthik. These many people, man. This is making the problem, man. Admitting everyone, it is becoming a problem. Disturbing the session, it is again and again disturbing the session. If I remove you, you don't blame me. Everyone, Ritik Shetty, are you there? I know what you do, Ritik Shetty. Ritik Shetty, are you there? No response. Ritik Shetty, are you there? Shall I call to your mother? I'm removing Ritik Shetty. Because if you are not interested, then what is the use of being in the class? Right? There are many people are there, man. Actually, it doesn't make sense that when the teacher is saying you people to see as Shivamani, Challa Shivamani. Challa Shivamani. No response. Shivamani, shall I remove you? Challa Shivamani.
Sir.
On your video. You are sleeping or fighting? What are you
Sir,
doing?
no, sir.
On your video.
Sir, Pudra face bounded, sir.
This is the that is the reason, man. It means my face also not good.
Sir, he is
Okay.
saying that like, sir, but he will open video on Max class, sir. Max class. Daily will open, sir.
No, sir.
Very good. But it is the master, right? What is happening, man? I told you to on your video. If you are unable to on, then please leave the session. Yes, Karthik, Allah, Desai, Sham, Shambit Bajuban. Sambit Bajuban. Sambit Bajuban, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On your video, man. Don't you understand?
So my video is on, sir.
It is looking black.
Where are you in the dark room?
No, sir.
Desai Pratik. Desai Pratik. Hey, yaar, this is what, man. Shit. On your videos, only the people, the students who did not on their videos, please do on the videos. Because I can understand, Mr. Ritik Shetty, can't you understand?
Sir, only one member said not who are not on the video. Only Ritik is not on the video.
Ritik Shetty, it is like I'm begging him. Okay, Ritik Shetty, bye. When we are respecting you, then there is no respect for the words. See, you are on the screen. Is it visible? Do you want to remove Ritik Shetty? 10th Aqua. Once removed, Ritik Shetty will not be able to rejoin the meeting. Ritik Shetty, are you there?
He unmuted, sir.
Unmuted, sir, but not.
Yes, sir.
Dhanishwandar is joining now. Great. Ritik Shetty, shall I remove you? Chalo. Right. The rule is rule for all. See, I won't see the faces. There are many people are there. Desai Pratik. In Dhanishwandar audio on your video. Desai Pratik. I want everyone's video must be on. Don't make me serious. Desai Pratik.
Sir.
His video is on only, sir.
Sir, his video is on only, sir.
There is
Video is
one-
Your voice also some breaking, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, D. Sai Rohit, sir, I think.
Right. Coming to the point here, you need to understand the concept. If you understand the concept, the rest of the things becomes easy. Right? See here every day 5 to 10 minutes it is happening that on your video, on your video, on your video. It is not correct. It's a minimum common sense, minimum duty when you come to the session, you on your video, so that I can understand whether you are understanding the concept or not. So I can read the emotions of your face, whether you are getting or not getting. Right, Govardhan Datta, make some distance with the camera, not that much nearer. Okay, right. So I hope. See, if you on your video or not on, it doesn't make a sense to me. Got it? I don't have any benefit for the sake of you only. Because if you are not understanding, then I can read you. I can read your mind and I'll try to read it. Then I may ask you that, okay, what are you doing? Whether you are understanding or not, whether you are following or not. Okay, then I decide that, okay, my teaching style is correct, my methodology, the chosen is correct or not. Then I can understand, because we are not in the class, we are online classes, we are in online, right? So it's not easy to grasp the concentration of everyone. So at least if you're on the video, so that we can understand. You understand the things, and later on your wish. I won't force you. This AB4388. Who is that? AB4388.
Yes,
Put your cam properly.
Okay.
Okay. Now, outcomes of democracy. What is mean by outcome? What is mean by outcome?
Sir, result.
Sir, result.
Result. Very good. Final result of the democracy. So can anyone tell me what is democracy according to you? Don't give the Abraham Lincoln's right definition and some others definition. According to you, what is democracy? Two participants have raised the hand. Let me see who are those. Harshit Reddy, please. Kritik Tejas and Harshit Reddy. Harshit Reddy, you can. Many people. Good.
Sir, we should have equality, justice, brother, fraternity among the people, and the people must have a right to vote for the choosing of their elective representative.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Fine. According to him, that is okay. You are almost correct. There is nothing wrong in that. SV Kritik Tejas.
sir, implementation of fundamental rights and
How many fundamental rights are there?
7.
Right. So if you don't revise the thing, this is what going to be happen. 6 fundamental rights are there. Right. For example, one of your relatives got arrested. Okay, and the police department did not intimate you that they have arrested your relative. Then according to one article, you can directly approach to the Supreme Court. What is that article? This is what learning, man. Not simply reading then when you are reading, you have to learn.
Sir, Article 22.
Article
22.
What is Article 22?
Sir, if any police or any police takes to the court within some period of time, only the police should take to the court without intimating us. If he takes to the court,
No, not. My question to approach the Supreme Court. Okay, I am asking somebody, you are giving something. Okay, so my question is that, okay, that particular thing had happened, right? Prevention of detention of convention, you are speaking about that one, right? That article
Sir,
number
right to information.
not Right to Information, man. That is RTI 2005. Right to Information Act came into enacted in 2005. RTI is different again, right? RTI is different. Okay, you are trying. It's a good thing that there is nothing wrong. Okay? Article 32 of the Indian Constitution. See, Article 12 to Article 35 speaks about the fundamental rights. Article 12 to Article 35 speaks about the fundamental rights. Are you getting? Article 12, 13, they'll speak about that. And Article up to the Article 32. And according to the Article 32, there are 5 writs. Order. Writ means order. 5 orders will be given by the Supreme Court. According to Article 32, 5 orders will be given by the High Court. According to Article number 226. You can approach to the court. According to the Article number 226. You cannot find this in your textbook. Okay. If you search also, you cannot find. If you Google, you can find it. Anything you can find it. So here, Article 226, the High Court is having the power. Article 32, the Supreme Court is having the power. For example, any of your relatives or anyone, they got arrested, right? And the police within the 24 hours, they have to give the information to you, to the family members, right? If they are not giving the information, just I'm giving the information to you regarding to the Constitution. I'm not making your people to get arrested. Just giving an example. Don't take personally. Okay. Don't think in a narrow way. Just I'm giving an example. In that particular situation, what can we do? So you can reach directly. You can go to directly the court, Supreme Court, according to the Article 32. And according to the Article 226, you can go to the High Court. So what is there in the writs? Mandamus, quo warranto, certiorari. Likewise, 5 writs will be there. Likewise, 5 writs will be there. And according to whatever the writ particularly it is suitable, then court will say that, for example, if the particular person is got arrested within a 24 hours, his body must be present. It means live or death. So it will not mention that live or death. It depends on the situation, depends on the case. Are you getting my point? So this is what learning. Not simply reading, not simply going on that. You need to find something new in the world. This is what about the Constitution. Now coming to the point here, according to, then our nation is democratic nation. The result of the democracy, what will be the result of the democracy? What will be the result of the democracy? Can anyone see? The assessment of the outcomes of the democracy can be assessed, checked, whether it is really democratic or not. How can we understand? If there is an equality of government is there, it means the citizens of the particular nation, those are treated equally. How can we understand that Sanjay Sir's class is democratic? Whether it is democratic or it is partial, or whether it is boring, or whether it is Dramibazi, or whether it is inspiring, how can we? The quality of teaching, right? Whether is giving the importance to all the students or not, right? Are you getting? So similarly here, it means many parameters will be there. So here also some basic parameters, whether there is a equality among the citizens or not. So India is a democratic nation, do you believe? And anyone? India is a democratic nation. Everyone are treating equally. But the problem is that all the nation's citizens, they know their rights, but they don't know their duties. They don't perform their duties. Everyone asks about rights. Fundamental rights, right to property, article number 31, it was removed, it mentioned in the 301. Okay. So what I'm saying that everyone speaks about their rights, but they do not bother about their duties, fundamental duties. There are 11 fundamental duties are there. As a student, you know you are right. Okay, this is what should be done. I should get mobile. I should get this. I should get those. But as a student, is your duty that you must be a learner always. You'll forget that one, and you'll give the reasons for that. See, always the losers will give the reasons. Always the losers will give the reasons. The successful people, they find the solution for every problem. Whether me or you or someone else. Life is all about complaints, man. Life is all about complaints. However you plan, the life is not going to be happen like that, according to your plan. Somewhere, somehow, minor or major or somewhere, the things may happen in your life that which changes your life. The decisions which you take, the path which you choose, the friends which you choose, the habits which you are having, all these things decides. For example, you are having a very good habit early in the morning doing the exercise. How many of you are having the habit of doing exercise early in the morning? Raise your hand. Arun Kumar Gaud, very good. 2 participants. So very good habit, you know. You are asset to the nation. Ramadhar Bangat, very good. Ragi Devi, Harshit Reddy, very good. Congratulations. Be honest. The people, someone will be there that never do the exercise. Those are liable to the nation. These are not asset. వాళ్ళది నది రక్క పక్కోడికి ఇబ్బంది ఆ గ్యాస్ భరించలేము సో మెనీ థింగ్స్ హ్యాపెన్స్ ఇట్ వోంట్ బి డైజెస్టివ్ ప్రాపర్లీ వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్ పృథ్వీ భార్గవ్ ఐ థింక్ లెఫ్ట్ very few people are there who are doing exercise. If you are fit, man, the corona or varona, nothing, it is not going to do anything to you. You must be stronger. Okay, are you getting or not? So similarly here, the duties of the students and similarly the citizen, we don't bother about the duties. And for example, see, how can we say that there is a democracy in the nation? Whether there is a equality, people are treated equally or not. Whether the people are treated with a dignity. So America, whatever the work you do, every work is dignified. That is what called dignity of labor. Whether you are a housekeeping, you are in a housekeeping department, whether you are a cobbler, whether you are XYZ person, right? So almost, it means everywhere the partiality will be there, the prejudice will be there, the discrimination will be there. Got it? So everywhere it is quite common. See, black and white problem in America. But almost the work, whatever the work they do, they consider it is as dignified job. In our India, only few jobs are dignified. Real estate jobs. Who are having money, those are only dignified. Right? The other people are XYZ. So why I'm saying this? It is not like that. It is not like that. Many intellectuals are there. What is the problem of India, you know? Purchasing power of the people is not there now. 80% of the Indians, understand this point, 80% of the Indians, they are not having the proper purchasing power parity compared to the Americans. So what is purchasing power, sir? Simple thing. Bachchu Rakesh's father is clerk, for example. Kritik Teja's father is minister or contractor. He will be having Audi, Rolls Royce, Hayabusa, Bugatti, XYZ. He is having everything. Actually, his father is a servant. Minister means he is a servant. He should not get it. If he is a contractor, he should get it. Okay. Rakesh father is clerk. Just you don't take it to your personal. Just I'm giving an example, right? Are my clerk sir, don't feel. So here Rakesh father is clerk and his earning is just 10,000, 10 to 20,000 rupees per month. Nowadays, teachers' salaries are not more than 10,000. Okay, even though teachers are taking online classes, how they are suffering, just you imagine what they are eating, what they are doing, right? Okay, it is another concept again. Somewhat our school is better. At least they are giving the 50% salaries. And that is also we are not getting properly. And it is shame, man. It is really shame. Now coming to the point here, throughout the India, which sector is giving the more employment? Can anyone answer?
Human capital.
In India, primary sector.
Very good. It is a primary sector. Nearly 55%. On an average, you take 55% of the people are working in a primary sector. And these people will have the work only in the seasons, and the rest of the season they don't have the work. They do enjoy. They never do any kind of work, right? And the earning is very low. And the 50, see, you can see Saffola, these, the good things which are available in the supermarkets. Do you find any farmer who entered in the who entered in the supermarket and who's purchasing in the dhoti and kurta pajama or something? You never find it. All the people who are working in this, okay, MNCs, BPOs, it means who are doing the work in tertiary sector or who are the owners of the factories, those people only. It means only the 10 to 20% of the Indians are having the purchasing power. Here the logic, यहाँ पे logic बनता है. When the people are not having the purchasing power, okay, what happens? The country's income, country's GDP, country's GNP, country's NDP, country's NNP, country's national income. 1 second. Rajesh class lo na. Country's national income and get affected. Got it? When country's national income get affected, the country also will not develop. See, India is not a poor country, my dear brother, but Indians are poor. India is not at all a poor country. Not at all a poor country. We have enough resources. Japan is not having any kind of resources. Japan ko dekho kaise बढ़ रहा है आगे. Vastly developed nation. China, vastly developed nation. It is a developed nation. And we are the third major economy of the world. We are the third major economy. First USA, second China. Okay, now I think in China. The third is India. But Indians are poor. See the logic here. The logic is that the education is sold in the India. Health is sold in the India. Only rich people can access the education. Only rich people can access the health. तुम्हारे पास 2 बैल है, एक बैल लंगड़ा है, एक बैल अच्छा है. क्या तुम्हारा हल सीधा चलेगा? You have 2 oxes, right? One cannot walk properly and one can walk. So can you till your land, till you fill your land, can you till your field properly? Takes a lot of time. So similarly, the situation is that in India there is no balance. So now you can understand why I'm saying this all. Then this is all, everything is happening, then it can cause us for the revolution. Now the revolution time in India, people lost their jobs everywhere. Almost almost the 50% of the India's population is jobless now. Whatever the earlier income was there, they are living on that. Only the 50%, not the 50%, we can say 70% of the people. 55% are worthless men that don't have the power of purchasing power in the primary sector. Now you come to the other secondary sector, factories are closed up now. They are not working in the lockdown. Right? The post-lockdown also. All the people, they migrated to their villages. It's government's duty. बड़े बड़े बातें करने से कुछ नहीं होता. Need to do the work. So this is what about that dignity of labor. There is no dignity of labor. You are not respecting. You don't have the respect to that particular job which you are doing, and others are also not respecting. Then the person particularly who wants to choose that, and those are low paid salaries. But coming to the point here, but democracy is the better than the other form of government. We can say this point because quality of decision making. In monarchy, what happens that only few people they sit. Only one person also can take the decision. His Rakesh is the king. Whatever he says, na mate, na vedam. What is that? The Bahubali Shivagami.
Namate Shasanam.
Namate Shasanam. It is like Namate Shasanam. But in democracy, it is not like that. The bill should go to the parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, discussions takes place. It takes a lot of time. Finally, the good output will come. But whether it comes or not, we don't know. Provides a method to resolve conflicts, whatever the problems are there among the people, conflicts. It provides. In monarchy, it is not possible. For example, with the government, some mistakes had been done. If government is admitting the mistakes, so there is a chance to recorrect the mistakes. Correct the mistakes. The decision of the demonetization, which is taken by the Narendra Modi, a tough flop. Idea was good, but implementation was wrong. Idea was awesome, excellent, but implementation was not up to that mark. According to me personally, what I feel that it is utter flop. Richer become richer more, poorer have become poorer, more poorer. Rich people, they gave the bribes to the bank employees. The bank employees became rich. Whoever the bank employees were there, banker, bank manager, clerk are those people, right? They gave a commission, 30% you take, 20% you take. अरे गरीब क्या करेगा? कहाँ से देगा पैसे? उसके पास खाने को नहीं है. All these things happen in the democracy. It promotes equality among the citizens. Okay, it's a good thing, enhances the dignity of the individual, improves the quality of decision making, right? Provides a method to resolve conflicts and allows room to recorrect the mistakes. We are running short of time. So democracy is responsive. Of course, it is responsive. We are running short of time, and the rest of the things we'll discuss in tomorrow's class. Please, you do read and try to understand the concept. Understand the concept, not just reading. When you are reading, then only you have to learn. That is what the major thing. Not simply reading. खेल सब दिमाग का है, दिमाग को काम दो. खेल सब दिमाग का है. When you are focusing, you can do it. When you won't focus, you cannot do it. Okay?